The carbon canister and pressure switch are located under the main front cover indicated by the red arrow. You do not need to remove the other covers. To remove the main panel, gently pull up on each side by the cutout handles indicated by the red arrows. There is a clip on each side of the panel, blue arrow not seen, that sits in a cutout in the chassis, red arrow. With the front clips released, pull the panel forward, freeing it from the cowl piece, red arrows. The pressure switch is attached to the carbon canister, red arrow. Use AT20 torque and remove the 2 screws, indicated by the red arrows. Wiggle, pull, and if needed, gently pry the switch out from the carbon canister. There are 2 inlets that both have rubber sleeve gaskets on them. Squeeze in on the tab for the electrical connection and separate it, blue arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to put a light coat of Porsche synthetic grease on each of the gaskets. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.